Hey guys, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Now, the reason why I created this video is because a couple of days ago, a patient of mine came in. She was actually coming in for a knee injury, all right? But then that morning, she woke up with bad pains on her neck. And she couldn't move her neck too much. It's very limited movement. I think a lot of us can relate to this. At some point in our lives, we have woken up with what we call a stiff neck. All right, maybe we had too much to drink the night before, maybe we had too much partying or whatever, slept in an awkward position, and then the next morning we wake up with the stiffness in the neck. We can't move it, and it hurts a lot when we do. So her question to me was, what's the best way to address this? Because at that point I told her, hey, you know what, let's just do something quick, and you don't really have to worry about have physical therapy for the neck if it goes away in a day or two. So I want to share with you my advice to people who are suffering from stiff neck. Okay, what I would recommend is, one is you have to move your neck. I know it hurts a lot, and a lot of times people don't want to move it because it hurts. So I want to shatter that false belief that, hey, you know what, it hurts, I don't want to move it, and hopefully it just goes away. No, I want you to start moving your neck as much as possible. If moving it or stretching it forcefully, or if you force it, it hurts, then you do it whatever you are comfortable with. Whatever you can tolerate, you move it to that extent. All right? I want you to do it frequently though. So that way the muscles can get moving a bit more, and when it moves more often, you tend to lessen the stiffness faster. All right, so which movements can you do? It can be the basic simple movements that we have for our neck, which is you can look to the left, to the right. If it's really stiff, sometimes you can go both. You can go to the left as much as you can. Usually it's one side and not both. There's usually one or two directions that you have difficulty with. So wherever that is, if it's going to the left, you keep looking to the left and left as much as you can. You can even use your hand to actually push a little bit if you can tolerate that. All right, if you can tolerate holding it for a few seconds, 5-10 seconds, that's great. If not, then after you look, you turn back, go again and back. How many times? You do it like 10-15 times, and do it multiple times in a day, 100 times a day even if you have to. Just basically my point there is to keep moving it, so that way it will help you regain the range faster. One modality that you can use heating pads on it, or hot shower. You're gonna notice heat will relax the muscles more. You take a hot shower, even that has happened to me before. Take a hot shower, just feels looser, and then I start doing my movement while in the shower, and then I follow it up afterwards also. I just do it frequently. That same day, yes, you may actually feel more pain, or sometimes though the pain goes down pretty quickly, but you'll see that the next day you feel significantly better. You're gonna have less pain, you're gonna have more movement, and if you still have some remnants of that stiffness and pain, keep doing it the same thing the next day until it fully goes away. A lot of times it just stays maybe a day or two. If you do something about it, it actually goes away faster. If not, I have patients or even people I know personally who've had that several days. Now, in worst case scenario, I've had patients who the stiff neck actually lasted for a long time, resulting in contractures of the muscles shortening already, and then it becomes very painful. Then you'll need medical, need professional help. It can be even for kids or for adults. That's what we call torticollis, and basically it's a scientific term for having stiff neck. Right? So you don't want to get to that level, because you get to that level, then we have to do more aggressive stretches, manual stuff, different modalities. But if you do get into that level, even for kids, I've had patients who have congenital torticollis, we call it. They're born like that. Is the position in the while they're like in the tummy of the mother was in an awkward position, and they were born like that. So I've had that also before. Now, for adults, if the contraction, I've had that for adults, sometimes they're kind of like, shifted like this for a long period of time. then yes, we have to address that differently, and we will be able to help you if you are in that situation, or if you know somebody in that situation. Give us a call. You can contact us through our email or to a contact page on website, or call the office directly. We will be able to help you. We'll be able to set you up with a consult quickly and get you on the road to recovery fast. All right. So I hope now you know how to address that when you do get the stiff neck. Any questions, feel free to send it to me. Feel free to leave your comments below, and share this with people you know, people you love, that might be helpful to them. You can follow us on Facebook and like us on Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you on the next episode of How to End Chronic Pain. Stay safe and stay pain-free. Bye.